The National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Franklin County, southern Bedford County, until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time at 5:08 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Blue Ridge to near Stewartsville to Burnt Chimney, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Stewartsville, Moneta, Huddleston, Pinhook, and North Shore. Prepare immediately for damaging winds, as well as deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. For your safety, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Stay away from windows. When it is safe to do so, please send your reports of hail of any size, as well as any reports of wind damage, including downed trees or large limbs, to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free at 1-866-215-4324. Reports and pictures can also be shared on the National Weather Service Blacksburg Facebook page and on Twitter.
Became a little bit noisy.
You have earned the distinction of being the best trained, best prepared police officers in the world. Ready to